The pain in my hands got to the point where it was just constantly aching all the time. So doing simple things like opening jars or just twisting things, had to give up crocheting, hobbies I like to do. So it really was affecting my daily life in that respect. My name is Jan and I'm from Cedar Rapids. I came to InMotion Pain Solutions because I've got arthritis in both my hands and I've got arthritis in my left knee. The arthritis, it really slowed me down to the point where I didn't want to go out with friends or just being able to do things and knowing if I do that, I'm going to hurt like crazy the next day. So it really kind of made me pull back from doing things that I enjoy. The pain in my hands, it was just aching all of the time. And I mean, you're constantly rubbing and trying to get it at ease, and nothing was working. Because the only thing you ever hear about is you have surgery. Hand surgery made me really, really nervous. I've already had one knee replacement done, and I really didn't want to go there yet. The consultation with Dr. Ben is amazing. I mean, he's very, very thorough. He's very to the point. He's very direct. And he explains things so well. Whereas most doctors go, oh, you have arthritis, blah, and that's it. But he explained things. He showed me things about my knee, also about my hand that I didn't realize. He explained to me what his goals were for where he wanted to see me get to after doing the treatment. I was a bit skeptical, I have to be honest about it. I have to say, I really didn't expect the results I got. I mean, the results that I received personally have been far beyond anything I could have imagined. Before, my pain level, I want to say on a scale from 1 to 10, was probably about an 8 consistently. Was always, I'm either taking Tylenol or putting ice on it or heat or anything I could do just to ease the pain. And since I've had the treatments, there's been days I've just gotten on the computer and started working and like, wow, I don't have any pain in my hands. And that's amazing. Is it always pain-free? No, because I have arthritis. It's not, that's just the way it is, But for the most part, I want to say, seriously, I am probably about, I want to say a good 70 to 80% better than I was when I started my treatments. Well, one of the differences I think in the care here is you can really tell that Dr. Ben cares. It's not like you're a number, and I think that's really valuable. In this day and age, everything's so fast moving and what have you. Doctors, you're usually in and out in a few minutes and you never see them again. They never know your name. So it's really refreshing to come into a practice where the doctor really cares, and you can tell that about Dr. Ben. I've referred people to Dr. Ben, and mostly it hasn't been going, hey, he's great, blah, blah. They've seen the difference in me. They've seen the difference that I'm more active and I'm getting out more and what have you. And I think that speaks volumes. I've talked to a few people and they're kind of like, I don't know, that sounds kind of out there, Jan, And I'm like, you know what? The consultation's free. You'll get to know a lot of information about what's going on with your situation, what kind of pain you're in or what your diagnosis is. You'll have more information when you leave, then you can make it your own choice. My overall experience here has really been mind-blowing, and that's the only other way I can say it, because I really did not expect to have the lower level of pain that I have. And there's days that I'm pain-free, which is a miracle to me, I really thought that, it'll probably be okay for a while, but I've seen since I've done the treatment, it's consistently getting better. And that's also too because of the encouragement from Dr. Ben to keep moving, keep exercising, keep going out and doing things, and that's what I really appreciate, because it's not just the treatment, it's the whole deal, it's the whole package. It's blown my mind. It really has been amazing.